Coral reefs are vibrant marine ecosystems filled with color and life. They form when tiny coral polyps work together to create structures using their hard exoskeletons made of the calcium carbonate they secrete. The vibrant colors of the corals come from special algae called zooxanthellae living in their tissues. Algae and corals help each other out. Corals provide the algae with nutrients and shelter, while algae give them food through photosynthesis. The significance of coral reefs cannot be understated. They are a major habitat in the marine environment. Their nooks and crannies make them the perfect shelter, feeding grounds, and even nurseries for a variety of marine organisms. However, coral reef ecosystems have been facing a major problem. Due to the increasing ocean temperature and the heightened levels of pollution that result from human activities, corals get increasingly stressed. And that stress eventually causes them to expel their symbiotic algae and causes them to turn completely white, losing their color. Without their algal friends to provide them with food, the corals eventually weaken and may even die. When that happens, all the organisms depending on them would be put at risk, as coral reefs are like the beating heart that supports much of the life undersea. Many sea creatures would lose their homes and their breeding grounds and would lead to a loss of many marine species. Despite the daunting problem, we as individuals can still help the fight against coral bleaching. Here are ways you can help. First, becoming more environmentally conscious. Even something simple as being mindful of proper waste management and not littering is a huge help, as pollution is a big source of stress for corals. Second is studying about the importance of coral ecosystems and how to care for them. Scientific understanding about the marine environment may equip you with the knowledge that can help with coral conservation and potentially even research in the future. Lastly, you can help through volunteerism. Volunteer in coral conservation and restoration programs, be an advocate for the environment, and spread awareness. It's important to remember that every small action can have a great impact when we all work together.